I don't like this one. Oh my God, he's
There you go. There you go. There you go, brother.
I'm so mad at that donkey. He took my food.
He's an ass.
Come here, dear. Come here, dear. All right, so we're in this wild animal safari. Taking pictures.
What are you doing? Are you shooting video?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, not the whole time,
All
right?
right.
Yes, I am.
I took some video too. You can feed them by hand.
Jenny.
I didn't feed them by hand.
Here,
I'm
look.
scared.
Zebra, sea dogs, ostrich, emus, and rhea. They will bite.
Here, dear. All right, so we're in this wild animal safari, taking pictures. We're in the wild safari in Pine Mountain, Georgia. There is a cow. Brett, can you call that one over so we can get a video of it?
Sure. Here, Miss Cow. Yeah, there you are.
Hey, come here. Come say hi to David.
Hi. Hi, David. Hi, Miss Cow.
Hey. Hello. Picture of David and him because he's saying hi to David. Take a picture. David, look at the camera. With the thing in the background.
God? There. Moving now. Keep moving, sweetie.
My mistake.
Let's get the food. There's nothing. It's a tiger. So,
The lion, that's a lion.
You want to pick this one?
yeah, feed him. This Peruvian.
Yeah, buddy, I'll give the Peruvians the food.
Aww.
Take a selfie. Selfie, llama. Come on, llama. Good food, right? Oh my God. They're humping. Pig sex. Ugh.
You don't want to try off this thing.
Oh God, it's stuck in the swim. I'm gonna go down the water, muddy water.
It's pretty.
I don't know.
This might be it.
No?
Careful, he's gonna up.